Tesla Model X is in today. The whole car is completely Clearbra, and the cool thing with this is perfect for like daily mishaps. If anything were to occur, shopping carts bumping into this, you know, people banging on doors, wherever, door dings. We have a prime example of that. So this whole door is Clearbra. As you can see, the Clearbra here is damaged, has cut through the film. We're gonna be replacing this, but I figured I'd show you what it looks like now before we peel it off, so you can see how much damage actually transferred through to the paint. Same thing on the passenger side too. Not surprised, these doors go up, so they do hit things. So there's a cut here, as you can see, and there's also a bigger one right there. I'm curious to see how much actually went through. Whoa! Nice!
No damage.
So all that we saw was adhesive. No damage whatsoever, guys. Really
Clearbra
nice.
can save your car.
But you know what Clearbra can't save? The tigers, Destin. The tigers.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
Alright, so this side now. So we got this one to see, and we also got this one to see. Boom, nothing, it's gone. Wow, there's nothing, yeah, no damage at all whatsoever.